Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of Slimming Recipes with me, Mike. And today we're going to be in the Slimming World Sweet Dreams book, and we're going to be making the lime and blackberry cheesecake. Don't really like blackberries, so I'm going to step it up and use raspberries. Just as nice. And you need a tin, some sweetener, some leaf gelatin. Light is Philadelphia, it's half the fat of light. 1% lot, 27 calories. Some light digestives. Eat Smart counted fromage frais. Very low. Some nice limes, grease-proof paper, scales and a sieve. These are good because you can put a bowl on there and set it to 0 and you can just add the ingredients. And a grater. Realised that grater was too big. First off, 8 digestive biscuits. Smash them up like a jackhammer. Just messing about with it, you see. Bit of a boring task. Crumbs. You can put them in a bag and beat them, but yeah. Or a blender. Then get your scales, and you need plop 35 grams of butter. Spot on. Put that in a pan. Melt it down. I like to add a bit of ginger. I used to use ginger biscuits, but they're fattening. Put the biscuits in, give it a good soak. Get your parchment paper. Snip it around. I suppose you could use them spring form trays or anything you like to use really. I've not got any yet, so. I took about 3 grams of margarine off so I could just grease up the tin. Click. Ready to go. Add your breadcrumbs. Squash it around. Very, very easy to do this is. It's a no bake one. No raw eggs in it. Next, grind your limes. Watch your fingers. Grating zest. Really takes the pith. Oh dear. I'm here all week. Who's that guy? Tell you what, after a while this does grate on you. I'm gonna have to stop. Yes, please do. Just make sure you get well green, ripened limes, because when they're a bit lighter, they're a bit harder to grate. Thank God I've only got to do 3. I should have used a smaller grater really, next time I think I will. Then you've added the fromage frais and the quark. And I followed the instructions, and 4 limes is overkill. Massive overkill. Add your sweetener. Add your massive, great big lumps of lime zest. Wow. It was really, really, really tarty. Tip them in a pan. These are those leaf gelatin strips. Let's use 3. Take the pan, warm it up. Prefer them sheets. A lot easier to work with, as opposed to that powdered stuff you get. It smells like fish. So I'm just waiting for the gelatin to set in the lime juice. Then I'm going to add it to the mixture. Like an idiot, forgot to push record when I put the gelatin leaves in the pan. So all I did was take the gelatin leaves off the plate, give them a shake, drop them in the pan, dissolved it on a little high heat, well, low heat, little high heat, a big little heat. Yeah, well said. Add that into the mixture. Give it a right nice out stir. Next time I'm only going to use 2. And plop it in. Little tap. The raspberries, I just squeezed them all out, squashed them down, added a little bit of sweetener to it, and then it says just use a cocktail stick or skewer and just it's quite easy to get that marble effect. I've never done this before. It looked nice. It tasted like well, it was nice, but a little bit too sour for me. But it's trial and error. Anybody can do these. So easy. There you go. Chill it in the fridge for 4 hours. There you go. Slimming World raspberry and lime cheesecake. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and please like this and share it. Bye.